Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Rajan. Today is 27th June 2022. Today I am going to explain today's video topic, that is the IOC and dependency injection in Java. First of all, we see the what is the IOC in Java. IOC stands for in inversion of control in Java. Basically, IOC is a controller. There are mainly three uses of IOC. First one is to create an object into the to form performing operation, and creating an object of a class is done by controller by using annotation, and after the by using annotation we use at the rest controller annotation for a class. After that, the next task is of IOC is to hold that object into the memory, and after that, whenever the call the object, the sending of object is a work of IOC controller. Now see the IOC controller, because of this IOC controller is also works as a dependency injection. Okay, because of IOC controller is a sends information, sends call, whenever call is creating to the object, then IOC controller sends the object. Okay, and because of this the dependency injection works is also like that. Hence IOC controller is known as also known as a dependency injection. Now next is mainly IOC controller done by this work by using two methods. First one is application context and second one is a beans factory. Now let's look at the some little bit difference between the what is application context and what is the beans factory. Okay, first one is the application factory. Application context. Application context is made on the top of the beans factory. Yes, and the applications into the in the application context, there are the so many facilities are provided into the application context, such as the AOP controller, and something are some very and another some various features are provided into the application context. Hence application context is also better features than the beans factory. Hence, because of this application context is useful than the beans factory. Now look at the how to use IOC as a application context. Those are the two types, and beans factory is next type. X beans in now look at the little bit what is actually happens into the beans factory. Beans factory are created files by using XML files, and by using that XML files you can create operations into the beans factory. Now look at the some difference. Our next topic, that is a dependency injection. Okay, in a dependency injection there are the mainly four types of dependency injection. First of all, see the what is the dependency injection into the Spring. Okay, dependency injection is basically used to call the object by using a controller class. Whenever we require the new object, there are the four methods used for the call the object and performing operation into the for application, creating a web application. First one is the creating an object by using a setter method. Setter method is provided by the dependency injection into the Spring automatically. automatically called by setter method. By using setter method, we can call the constructor, call the class object by using a setter method. Next one is the parameterized constructor. In that parameterized constructor is also called as known as the argument type. We provide a argument for the method, and the object will get called by the parameterized constructor. In that we send a parameter and call the object by using a and dependence inject the object into the class. Okay. Next one is non-argument, also known as a non-parameterized object. In that non-parameter, there is no any parameter is provided by the class for by the method to call the dependency injection, perform operation on dependency injection. Next one is next one is and last one is by using a reference variable. The annotation used for a reference variable is @word annotation used to call the object into the reference variable object. We can call by using annotation @word. Okay. In @word allocation is using, we can call any class object. There is no need to creating an object. We just put @word function annotation, and it automatically IOC can call the find out the what is the starting with a name, and finds out the that class. Okay, these are the methods used into the dependency injection. Thank you very much.